Morning. Hope you enjoyed the video. It is not a Singapore Tourist Board video. I promise you that. It's something that we have made specially for you. It's meant to set the mood for this year's National Day Parade, and also for you to also relish some of the scenes, the sights of a typical day in Singapore. Right, so maybe I just start off by introducing myself. I'm Desmond. I am the chairman of this year's National Day Parade 2012 Executive Committee. In the SAF, I'm also the Chief Guards Officer. I will like to share a little bit about National Day Parade from my own perspective, and then I'll go on to share other things along the way. It will be quite a short and sharp and hopefully an informal session. So first of all, I think National Day Parade means different things to different people. We all grew up with National Day Parade. Any Singaporean who grows up in Singapore grows up with National Day Parade. So I think there are some years that we try to remind Singaporeans of where we have begun in 1965. So it's a day where we commemorate our independence, how far we have come, and there are certain years where we try to celebrate our achievement and our success and our progress over the years as well. Certain times we try to remind ourselves the Singapore identity, what we are made of, the diversity that you saw, the things that are very unique, very Singaporean that you saw and you can't find it elsewhere. So these are some of the things that we try to do. So for this year, actually our belief, the committee's belief is that National Day actually belongs to all of us. And it's not just a day where we commemorate our independence, celebrate our success, but it's also a day where we believe Singaporeans should be able to express how they feel about being a Singaporean, what they're proud of, and also what they really love about this country. So rather than me telling you about what we believe, actually we did an experiment. The committee, we went around the streets of Singapore and we took some sound bites from Singaporeans. So this is what they say.
Why do I love Singapore?
What I like about you?
请问新加坡什么东西？
Why do I love Singapore?
I didn't Singapore.
Why? Because it's my country.
Because it's my homeland and I was raised here.
我希望新加坡的它的政治很好。
很多人来新加坡说不会危险的，带金子带面很多走来走去没有人抢的。
It's peaceful and yeah, it's green. Everywhere is green.
Singapore is clean and very nice.
Pekerjaan di Singapura tak susah nak cari.
Singapore is also known for food paradise.
Singapore கல்வி ரொம்ப தரமான உள்ளது.
Are you taking a video? Oh my goodness, no. Singapore is the place, transport all is very good compared to many other places, you know.
安全，新加坡很安全。
Like I'm familiar with like every part of this country, so like more like home.
新加坡真好啊，你看厝又多咯，咪好，大家要厝遐，厝又多咪好咯。
But even if I weren't bonded, I would come back because of family.
I feel much more like comfortable here than other countries.
Because all my friends are here, my family is here, and I think by and large it's a pretty nice place to live in.
Because it's where my family is, it's where I grew up.
This is our hometown.
It's our country.
Yeah.
Why? Because this is my home.
还是新加坡好。
I think we learned something from here. First is that actually Singapore are not so shy. They are quite prepared to express, and looking at the trends and even online, we have been monitoring the internet sentiments and all that. Singaporeans are beginning to be more expressive. They want to have a say in how this country is run, and they want to have a say about certain things that goes on around us. So we think that National Day Parade is a natural platform. You know, once a year, throughout the year, we can be talking about other things. But once a year on the 9th of August, we believe it's a time where Singaporeans should be able to express what they feel proud about, what matters most to them, unreservedly. So this is what we try to do this year. So the key point about this year's celebration, while we have the show and performances, we hope that it will be a time for Singaporeans to come forward and just say what they really love about Singapore. And I think this video has already shown that actually apart from some of the complaints that we have about certain things about Singapore, ultimately when you push the mic to them, actually they do have certain good things to say. And I think it really runs deep. As much as this is not a perfect country, not a perfect society, but I think there are certain things that we really value. So that's one part of the theme that we want Singaporeans to do for this year. The second part is something that we have done many years, and we try to bring it back as well. The fact that increasingly we're more connected, and Singaporean travels a lot more, studies over abroad, work over abroad. We have also new immigrants to society. So we want to bring back the concept and also remind Singaporeans that this is not just our country, our nation, but ultimately this is also our home. I think this year we wanted to allow Singaporeans to express themselves in what they feel proud about, what matters to them about this country. We also want to remind them that ultimately this is our home, this is where our family and friends are, this is where we can be ourselves. So these are the two main ideas this year's theme. So with that, I'm very happy to present to you the logo as well as the theme for NDP 2012 through this little video. This year's NDP is about love. It's about home. Loving Singapore, our home, is the theme for NDP 2012. And as I've already elaborated, we hope that we can create a platform for Singaporeans to express why they love Singapore and what are the things that they love about Singapore. It can be small little things or something big about what we have achieved. And of course, the second part is about our home. Essentially, we call it the Orchid Star. So Orchid, Vanda Miss Joachim, is something that we're all familiar with. It's our national flower. So by the look of it, obviously, it is representative of Singapore already. So that's the whole idea. And of course, the star is something that we all aspire to. It's part of our flag. Hence, the orchid is designed in such a way that you see the shape of a star, and you also see a heart, 2 hearts there in fact. I'm not going to, I don't think I explain better than the original designer, but just to give you some images and highlight to you some of the key points there. And you might see the number 47 right in the middle lobe there. So I just want to remind us that this year we're celebrating the 47th year of our National Day Parade.